Okay, we are started. All right, so let's go ahead and finish setting up the graph that we were doing before.
Yeah, I have it.
You did all the stats?
Well, I'm doing it now.
Okay.
I have, yeah. 2, 3, 5, 7, 3. Oh, hey, this one wasn't 0. Still less than though.
It wasn't? Oh no, you're doing the parent one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done with that one.
Okay, did you look at your graph?
Okay, so when I'm looking at my graph.
Your z-score.
What?
Your z-squared.
Say that again?
Your z-squared, number 11. What was your answer for number 11?
Oh, the x, the chi-square?
Yeah, the x squared. I put z, but it's x squared.
10.357.
Okay. So look at your graph on that.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first time I did it, I accidentally spelled something wrong on one column, and then I capitalized something on another column, and so it threw everything off. And I finally figured out that if you look at your graph first, if your graph is set up correctly, then you know that everything else is entered correctly, and then you can start using your stats.
Okay, gotcha. Because yeah, I see where I have my 4 different categories.
Right.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so
got it.
Let's go back to the prep. Actually, well, I guess it's only 2 of us, but I'll tell you that I got all my data collected, and I'll send that to you because
I have mine as well.
Oh, okay. So this is going to be kind of hard because we're going to need that data set, because we should go in and set up the data set for, because we have 3 of them now. We just need Michaela's. We have all the data collected except Michaela. So we can go in and set up a new data set. And what we have to do from all of these is summarize the counts so that you have on the side, variable 1, you'll have age, and then below you'll have, since we have 4 variables, you'll have adult, 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 and then you'll have child, 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 child down under variable
because there's
1.
4 different, okay, because there's 4 different options. Okay.
Right. And then you'll have, in the second one, you'll have, I don't know what, I mean, we said how you eat your Oreo, but you can say, I don't know, we'll have to come up with some word that summarizes all 4 of them. Okay. I guess you can just say, eat your Oreo. Right. And then you'll have to say, dunk it, all in one bite, cream, small bites, or whatever way you want to do it. Yeah. And then we just summarize the counts on the next row.
Okay. Okay.
But you'll need that data set right now, so don't do it. Because you'll need it for the quiz.
Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and do should we go ahead and do the quiz then?
Yeah, you don't have any other questions in the prep, right?
No.
Okay. Do you want to do the 3rd data set in homework just to see how comfortable you are?
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's a short one. Okay, so we'll close out of this. Okay. So I go back to variable view. Hold on, I gotta read this. Major University wanted to know if there are gender differences in the progress of students in their doctoral programs. They ran a study that classified 1,024 students who had their PhD programs. Their status 6 years later. Categories used were completed the degree, still enrolled, and dropped out. Use the data below to determine whether a student's gender is related to his or her status as a PhD student. Level of significance is 0.05. Okay, so don't we put status? And then men and then women? Or no, status and then gender?
Status and gender, yes.
Okay. gender. And we leave it at count. And then when I go to data view, I gotta get rid of a lot of this one. Okay, so under status, it's going to be completed twice, still enrolled twice, dropped out twice, right? Because then I have to put men, women? Or how is that? Oh, no.
I just put completed and enrolled and dropped.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. But only lets you put so many letters.
Right.
Comp. Still enrolled. Still. And drop. Okay.
You could probably go into variable and change those numbers that are off on the edges. You know, like, so when you go into variable view,
Yeah.
wait, where's my, none.
But don't I need to put completed twice, still in twice, and drop twice, right? For each gender?
Correct. So when it says width and it says 8, you can probably change those numbers in your variable view place and it'll give you more room, but you really don't need it.
That's okay. Count. Okay, so men completed 423. Women completed 56. Still 4. 98. Okay. Now I go to data, weight cases, that's good to go. Okay, and now I go to analyze, descriptive statistics, cross tabs, those are good. Display cluster, statistics, that's good. Okay. All right. Verify that requirements are satisfied. Create a cluster bar, and my bars are good. State the appropriate null and alternative. Okay. Calculate the test statistic and give it degree of freedom. Okay, so I got x squared 1.932.
Where are you? Which one?
The last one in the homework.
The last one? What number?
18.
18 at 1.392. Negative. Oh no, it's positive. Sorry.
1.932.
I write it down to say that that's my x squared, and yes.
And then degrees of freedom.
1.932.
And then degrees of freedom is 2.
Yes.
And the p-value is 0.381.
Correct.
Oh, hey, finally, we don't reject the null. Do not reject the null. That means it is independent. Okay. Let's do our quiz.
Okay. I have texted Michaela twice. I haven't heard back. Katrina is contacting me to be part of the group, but she can't do it right now. You got that text, right?
Well, she had to go into work.
Yeah, but she's gonna contact me to make sure that she got everything right and do the quiz,
Okay,
so she can get credit for a group.
okay. All right.
Say something so I can see you on the screen.
Hello.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay. So we're going to go into group meeting quiz. Start quiz. Okay. All right. While you're required to write together on this quiz, each one thing is given as written. Normal probability applet. You'll need the following data set. So we need to close this then.
Just the box. Don't get rid of your data set square.
But this is giving us a new data set.
Yeah, you'll have to change it, but don't close out of your what do you call that? Data inputs boxes. Get rid of your data input ones, but keep your data set, and we'll just have to change numbers.
Well, this one's already set up. That's what I'm saying. So I minimized the other one and just opened up this file.
Oh, is it a whole file with a link?
Yes. See if you look on there that you can
Oh,
click
the
on.
chiropractor thing. Okay.
But I minimized the other one.
Okay.
Yeah. Now this one, don't we need to do something? Australia. Oh, I see. Okay, so we just, okay, hold on. What's it asking? When calculating anything, please remember, do not remember to round to 3 decimal places and otherwise specified. For the next 7 questions, please use the following information. Oh, but look, now they're having, okay, so we must not use the other one until later. Yeah. Okay, so we need to use our own data set for this first one. Well, maybe not, I don't know, but do you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I'm just still opening SPSS, so.
Okay.
All right. Public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender and by voting preference. So in your variable, one will be gender.
And then party, right?
Yes. And then count.
Okay.
So then it will be female twice. Actually, female 3 times.
By 3 times.
Because you have Republican, Democrat, Independent.
Independent. Yep, I just saw that. Okay.
I need to have another computer.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm good. Data, rate cases. Okay. And then animals. Gender, party. Okay. Is that right? Row is
What's that?
gender and column is party?
Yes, that's what I did.
Okay.
Oh, wait, just a minute. I'm not sure. I'm not that you're faster at this than I am. Yeah, should be right.
Okay.
Don't forget to go to stats.
Yeah, I did that and it was marked. I have it.
And don't forget to display cluster bar chart.
Yep, it's there.
Mine was gone, so I had to start over. Okay, so I'm going to check
Oh,
my
wait,
chart
wait,
and
wait,
I have
wait,
1,
wait.
2, 3.
You're right. I did do something wrong. Hold on.
What does your bar chart look like?
I forgot an E at the end of female on one of them.
Oh, just go back and change it. Get rid of this data box because
I
it
did.
will throw you off.
Yeah, I did. I erased it. Okay, hold on. Point cases. Count. Okay. All right, here we go. We'll try this again. Analyze, descriptive. That's a very, very smart thing to do that you came up with.
Because I did something like that on one of my homework ones, and it like I'm going, why are my numbers not right?
Okay, now it's right. Now we got it. That's funny. Okay. So
Back to the quiz. All right, so which hypothesis is appropriate? Gender and voting preferences are not independent. Gender and voting preferences are independent.
yep, third one.
The third one?
Yeah,
Yes.
because it's independent.
Yeah, the first one, they're independent and dependent, or not independent, but they're backwards.
Yeah. Number
Or
4,
what?
what is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? Oh, I have to go back on my notes on this.
The last one, number of rows minus 1, number of columns minus 1.
Times number of columns minus 1. Okay, what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this
You
problem?
agree?
What?
You agree that it's the last one?
Sure.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me look. I will double check it. It is row minus 1 times column minus 1. You are right. So smart.
Mostly because I know it's minus 1, and the first one they have plus 1. And the second one, they don't have any ones, so I thought it was the last one.
Yeah. Okay. Save. What is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem?
So they just want the number of degree of freedoms?
I would guess. I have
2?
2. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I have. Are the requirements for conducting a Chi-2 test for independence met by this data set? Yes.
The first one.
Yep, because 30 doesn't matter. I have 16.204.
Ugh. I don't.
What?
Hang on.
What did I do wrong?
Your chi-squared, you have 16.204.
Yes.
Okay, so let me go back to my data set and see what I did wrong.
That or what I did wrong. Let's go over the numbers.
Okay. Female, 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 male, 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 Republican, demo, independent, Republican, demo, independent, and then I have the numbers. What are your numbers?
250,
Yeah?
300,
Yeah?
and 50.
Yes.
200,
Yes.
100, and 50. Sorry, 150.
Oh, I got 250. So let me look at my test and see what I did. 150 and I put 250. Okay, let me switch that.
And then independent male is 50.
Okay. So does that automatically change? Or do I have to do another analyze? Hang on. Okay, now I got 16.204. Is that what you have?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And then it wants to know number 8. Are you there?
Yeah, I have to type it in. Okay, and then number 8 is
What is the
p-value.
p-value?
I got 0.
Yep. I did too. All right. So which of the following
Which of
statements
the
best
following
describes?
Go ahead.
That's right.
Which of the following statements best describes the outcome? And we would reject the null.
So there is sufficient evidence.
The suggests are not independent. So far, there is sufficient evidence. It's the first one. They're not independent.
Okay. Okay, now this is the data set that they gave us.
Okay, so now we have to go open that data set. So I'm going to get rid of this.
I'm going to minimize that one. All right, and here's this one. There we go. Okay. The research question for this study is, do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons? The significance level is 0.05. And the hypothesis for this study is the H0 is location and the motivation to visit a chiropractor are independent, or the null or the alternative is location and the motivation to visit a chiropractor are not independent. The conditions for conducting a chi-square test for independence are satisfied. So we got to go through and do our deal. Analyze, descriptive, crosstabs. Reason goes in rows. Location goes in columns, right? Statistic. Continue. Is that what you have? Row is reason and column is location?
Yes.
Okay. See what we got. Chi-square. They're not satisfied.
Why not?
If I did this right. Because I have a bunch of 1s and 3s.
Under your cross tabulation?
Reason, location, cross tabulation. Hold on.
Did you go out of that box?
What did I
And
do wrong?
go in? Did you do your weight cases? Do your weight cases.
Data, weight cases. Okay. Oh, I must not have done that.
Okay, so get rid of that data
I did.
input thing
Yeah,
and start
I
over.
did. I went out of it. Okay, so
Okay.
now let's try analyze, descriptive, crosstabs, display, chi-square. All right, let's see what happens now. That's better. Okay, yes, according to what I see, everything is met. So true.
What are your degrees of freedom? I have 8.
I have 8 as well.
What is your X statistic? 7.436.
That's what I have.
And the p-value is 0.490.
Yep. So which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study? Well, it's going to be insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location.
No, we're going to reject the null.
Why? It's bigger than the null, than 0.05.
If it's high, oh, you're right. So there's insufficient. You're right.
There's insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit chiropractor is not independent of location. There's not enough evidence. It's got to be 2, because it's supposed to say there's insufficient evidence.
Right. And they're not separating United States from anybody else, so.
Okay, let me
Okay,
see
I'm
my
gonna
first. No, I get to go first this time.
Okay.
Woohoo! We're good.
Awesome. I love it when SPSS does it all. Especially when you don't have to enter the graph. It does it for you too.
Right.
Okay, that was quick.
No kidding.
Thank you, group. You're awesome. Okay. All right. We will say goodbye.
Bye.
Stop the broadcast. Hang on.